Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to text is the bold in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first open your Excel document. Firstly then show the this text is the bold. Firstly select your another text and going to the bold option. Now click for the bold option. That's okay. Then show the this text is the bold. Then again another word text is the select and click for the bold option. That's okay. Then show the all text is the bold. That's okay. Then bold is the Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.